Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm back with a part 2 video of building a rolling a dice game tutorial video in Python. In the last time we almost done the half of the project, and in this video maybe I will going to try to finish it, or I will try to continue as far as I can go, and we'll see how much we can build it. And without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, I'm back with the code. As you can see here, we almost finished our project, and let's write more code. Okay, here we ask the person if he want to dice the roll or not, and then if he say if you want to roll the dice or not, and if you say yes, we want to do something. Okay, before we do that, if user input equal to for example, let's start with no, and then we want to do, let me show you some library here, and I will explain what's that going to help us in this project. Let's import it first. Import I think it's called system, I hope so. I will search if I got error dot exit. Let's try it. If I got error, I will search, I will look up in, and I will come back. Okay, I run it and it seems like it's working. Let's say no. Yep, it's working. Okay, what this going to do is it will going to exit the program if the person doesn't want to play. Okay, I do. All right, this is not what I want to do. Okay, but I'm sorry, just keep in mind this sys.exist going to help us to shut down or to stop the program, and to just finish. As you can see here, it just finished, and it stop stop do printing or doing something in the terminal. Okay, but I will use this sys system library in the other part, and this we are going to use sys.exist that help us to stop the program. Okay, what we want to do is we don't want to do that. Instead, we want to create a while loop, and I'll explain what we are going to do, because we don't want to stop if the person is saying no, and I'll show you that now. Okay, also before we do that, here is when we are going to use it. But before I do that, let's just, for now, just keep in mind we just not going to use that. Okay, if the person is say no, we want to break the program, but else we want to just, my PC is my laptops are very slow because I'm training my deep learning projects, that's why it have lag, and also downloading a bunch file, that's why. But here we can just not writing the else statement, because even if you are not specified here, we're going to continue the code. So we can write here something. Okay. Also we want this here. Okay, yep. We don't want to guess, I mean, yeah, okay, I mean, oh, here, this one right here. Okay, let's go back. I'm sorry if I'm wasting your time. Okay, we want to create a random variable, I mean random number differently when we roll a dice again, because if we only specified one roll dice, we're going to say, let's say let's say this one is choice number 1, and then when we come to another step, when we ask it if you want to roll a dice or not, if you say yes, the answer will going to be the same, because it is out of the while loop, so it will going to only create one random choice. I hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, I suggest you to just figure out by yourself by playing around with the code, and let me know if you really want to know about this stuff. I will leave you the code in the link below or in the comment below. Okay, after that let me explain what we just did here. Okay, we import random, and we need also sys library to just exist in the future code we write, and then also we specify dice equal to a range of 0 up to 6, and we printed out welcome to rolling a dice game, and looply it will going to loop through until the person says no. It will going to again and again we're going to run this code. It will going to randomly choose several times until the person says no, and then after that we can just take okay, guess, I mean, okay, user let's say number equal to input guess the guess the dice, and we can create a new line, and let's see our project so far. Okay, do you want to roll the dice? Let's say yes. Okay, guess the dice number. Okay, I think, oh, okay, yeah, and then we can just give the number between 1 up to 6, and just give 1. Okay, it will ask again, as you can see here, and in the next video I'm going to continue from this. I hope at how I will going to finish this project, but it gets complex, so I will continue the part 3 video in the next video, and I'll see you guys in that video. Goodbye.